Kenya Union of Domestic, Hotels, Education, Institutions, Hospital and Allied Workers kutheha nigo baburirie eserikari Goting'IA Oborendi bw'abana a Chisukuru. Amagayo mubasukano obumuriro KOENEKIA wa Chisukuru y'abanyaruka ya utumishi na kwirira abanyaruka 15 noyomo gusiria obugima. Okwano munyakirugo okutheha horosagirwa kisi Thomas MIRERI nigaburire Chisukuru chaime kumulikwa gose nchikeranĩtie amaganio aganeire oigo nigaburie serikali kobekeni bensemo yerabe kegoikerania emeroberio ao unakolika bali babwate obumanyi bukorenda abana chenga kicha butko.
You realize that there are no even matrons in the schools and the doors are locked at night, whereby our young students are left at the mercy of God. But as a nation, as a government, we cannot sit down and wait for such strategies that has been since memorial in history from Pumbururu, Kianguri, and many schools that I cannot mention, whereby we have lost young Kenyans who could have been role models in our society. And to that effect, I asked the Minister of Education, CS, our brother Ogamba, to ensure that all measures have been implemented. Otherwise, we'll not sit back to see him just in televisions, not doing his work. They don't want to employ matrons because of decapitation and failing to employ them in accordance with the provisions of the law. So they just try to boot some boarding schools without considering such factors. So we must have the safety measures before we try to elevate some boarding schools without the measures. So let the government also send money to schools so that the employment in schools is consistent. I believe that he should instruct all the board of management in all schools to sit down and make sure that effective from today, they have all been called to their relevant schools to ensure that the safety measures of our students is been brought to where it belongs. Otherwise, those schools that have the substandard measures to be closed and be converted to day schools.